Hey everyone, MKBHD here. Today we're diving into the latest and greatest from Apple. If you're a developer or just a tech enthusiast, you're going to want to stick around for this one. We're talking about iOS and iPadOS 18.4 Beta 4. Apple has just released this new beta, and it's packed with some really exciting updates and features that you won't want to miss. Apple just dropped iOS and iPadOS 18.4 Beta 4, and it's packed with cool stuff for developers. This update is not just about minor tweaks, it's a comprehensive package that includes a variety of enhancements aimed at improving the overall user experience and developer productivity. From new APIs to performance improvements, there's a lot to unpack here. We're talking refinements, bug fixes, and new features that will change how you build your apps. For instance, Apple has introduced new debugging tools that make it easier to identify and fix issues in your code. These tools are designed to help you streamline your development process, making it faster and more efficient to build high-quality apps. Whether you're into in-app purchases or the latest Apple Vision Pro, this beta has something for you. The new in-app purchase APIs offer more flexibility and control, allowing you to create a more seamless purchasing experience for your users. And if you're working with Apple Vision Pro, you'll find new tools and resources to help you create immersive AR experiences. This isn't just about new features though, it's about making your apps the best they can be. Apple has made significant improvements to app performance and stability, ensuring that your apps run smoothly on all devices. These enhancements are designed to help you deliver a better user experience, which is crucial for retaining users and growing your app's user base. Apple squashed some pesky bugs and made some under-the-hood changes in this beta. These changes may not be immediately visible, but they play a crucial role in improving the overall performance and reliability of your apps. By addressing these issues, Apple is helping you create apps that are not only feature-rich but also stable and reliable. That means your apps will run smoother and work better with the latest Apple devices. Compatibility is key, and this beta ensures that your apps are optimized for the newest hardware and software. This is especially important as Apple continues to innovate and release new devices, ensuring that your apps remain relevant and functional. Think of this beta like a sneak peek at the future of iOS and iPadOS. It gives you an early look at the new features and improvements that will be available in the final release. This is your chance to get ahead of the curve and start integrating these new features into your apps, ensuring that you're ready when the final version drops. By getting your hands dirty now, you'll be ahead of the curve when the final version drops. Early adoption of these new features can give you a competitive edge, allowing you to offer new and innovative functionalities to your users before your competitors do. This is a great opportunity to experiment and see what works best for your app. Plus, you'll be able to give Apple valuable feedback to make sure everything works perfectly. Your input is crucial in helping Apple identify and fix any issues before the final release. By participating in the beta program, you're not only improving your own apps but also contributing to the overall quality of the iOS and iPadOS ecosystem. So, let's dive in and see what Apple has in store for us. There's a lot to explore in this new beta, and I'm excited to see how these updates will impact the way we build and use apps. Stay tuned for more in-depth coverage and tutorials on how to make the most of these new features. Thanks for watching, and happy coding! Let's talk about Ad Attribution Kit. This is Apple's framework for measuring ad campaigns. With Beta 4, they're introducing a game-changer overlapping conversions. What does that mean for you? Well, now you can track users who interact with multiple ad campaigns before making a purchase. It's a big deal for understanding which campaigns are really hitting the mark. No more guessing which ad deserves the credit. You get clear data, allowing for smarter decisions and a better return on your ad spend. Speaking of smarter, Apple Intelligence got some love in this beta. They squashed some annoying bugs, making the system more stable and reliable. Apple Intelligence is the brains behind a lot of cool features on your iPhone and iPad. Think Siri suggestions, those handy shortcuts that pop up at just the right time, or even how your device learns your habits. With a more refined Apple Intelligence system, users will enjoy a more seamless and intuitive experience. And that's a win for everyone. Now, for those excited about the Apple Vision Pro, there's a little hiccup. The Apple Vision Pro app, which is your gateway to setting up and managing the headset, has a known issue in this beta. It might crash on launch for some users. Don't worry though, Apple's on it. They've already found a workaround while they work on a permanent fix. For now, just make sure you've got the latest version of Xcode 16.3 installed. That should clear things up. StoreKit in-app purchases get an upgrade. Next up, let's talk in-app purchases. StoreKit, Apple's framework for handling all things in-app purchases, has been updated in Beta 4. There are new features, API changes, and even some things that are being deprecated. First up, we've got some cool new features that give you more control over your in-app offerings. You can now offer subscription upgrades and downgrades more easily. Plus, there are more options for managing promotional offers. SwiftUI smoother than ever. SwiftUI, Apple's declarative framework for building user interfaces, is known for its ease of use. In Beta 4, they've ironed out some wrinkles, making it even smoother. They've addressed a number of issues, leading to a more polished and robust development experience. This means your apps will look better and perform even better. And let's be honest, who doesn't love a buttery smooth UI? It's the little things that make a big difference. Nearby interaction sharing just got easier. Nearby interaction lets your apps talk to each other when they're close by. Beta 4 brings some handy new features to the table, especially for apps using live activities. Now, you can trigger actions in your app based on the live activities of nearby devices. Imagine this. You're playing a game on your iPhone, and a friend walks up with their phone. With nearby interaction, your phones could connect automatically, letting you start a multiplayer game instantly. Pretty cool, right? Deprecated and resolved, out with the old, in with the new. Now for the developers who like to stay ahead of the curve, let's talk deprecations. In the ever-evolving world of software development, staying updated is crucial. Apple's latest beta release is a testament to this philosophy. They've phased out several older APIs and features, making way for more efficient and secure alternatives. This might seem daunting at first, but it's all part of a larger plan to enhance performance and security. Apple's phased out a few older APIs and features in this beta. These changes are not just about removing outdated elements, they're about embracing innovation. By deprecating older APIs, Apple ensures that developers are using the most up-to-date and optimized tools available. This transition might require some adjustments, but the long-term benefits are worth it. Don't worry, it's all part of Apple's plan to keep things running smoothly. The company is committed to providing a seamless experience for both developers and end users. By continuously refining their software, Apple aims to eliminate potential vulnerabilities and improve overall system stability. This proactive approach helps in maintaining a robust and secure ecosystem. They've also been busy fixing bugs. In addition to deprecating old features, Apple has focused on resolving existing issues. This beta release includes numerous bug fixes that address a wide range of problems. From minor glitches to more significant system errors, Apple's development team has worked tirelessly to ensure a smoother user experience. This beta addresses a bunch of issues across the system. The comprehensive bug fixes span various aspects of the operating system, ensuring that both developers and users encounter fewer disruptions. By tackling these issues head-on, Apple demonstrates its commitment to quality and reliability. We're talking everything from minor UI glitches to more complex problems under the hood. The attention to detail in this beta release is impressive. Apple has not only focused on surface-level improvements but has also delved deep into the system's core to address underlying issues. This thorough approach ensures a more stable and efficient operating system. The result? A more stable and reliable operating system for everyone. With these updates, developers can build more robust applications, and users can enjoy a smoother, more secure experience. Apple's dedication to continuous improvement is evident in this beta release, setting the stage for a brighter, more efficient future in software development. So there you have it, the iOS and iPadOS 18.4 Beta 4 in a nutshell. This update brings a host of new features and improvements that are designed to make your experience smoother and more efficient. From enhanced performance to new tools for developers, there's a lot to explore. It's clear that Apple is focusing on enhancing your apps and improving the user experience. With this update, developers have more control and flexibility, allowing them to create even more innovative and user-friendly applications. The App Store is also getting some tweaks to make discovering new apps easier and more intuitive. Remember to download the latest Xcode 16.3 to take advantage of all the new goodies and squash those pesky bugs. This version of Xcode comes with a range of new debugging tools and performance enhancements that will help you streamline your development process. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting out, these tools are designed to make your life easier. My advice? Dive in, explore, and see how these updates can take your apps to the next level. Experiment with the new features, test out different functionalities, and don't be afraid to push the boundaries of what's possible. The more you explore, the more you'll discover the potential of these updates. Keep that feedback coming too. Your insights and suggestions are invaluable to the development community. By sharing your experiences and ideas, you're helping to shape the future of Apple software. Whether it's a small bug or a big idea, every piece of feedback counts. You're helping shape the future of Apple software. Your contributions are what make these updates possible, and your dedication to improving the user experience is what drives innovation. So, keep collaborating, keep experimenting, and keep pushing the envelope. Until next time, keep those apps running smooth. Stay tuned for more updates and continue to make the most of the tools and resources available to you. Happy coding!